Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss how we can have a reference line added to our section. So first we are going to do, we are using the superstore, sample superstore, and we'll be trying to, first we'll be creating a graph, and the graph will be with the sum of the sales as per respect to subcategories. So for here what we are doing is we are creating two graphs with the same graphs. You can see here this some are there in the columns, and here what I am trying to do is I am changing. So in the marks card you can see that the sums have been added twice, right? So I will be changing one to the circles and another to, these are at the bar graphs, but I am trying to change it as in minimal size, and when we are as if it will look like a line only. And now I want to change the dual axis, and again I need to change the Tableau has this feature, it has its own automatic things, so I'm converting it back to the bar. And now I can see that how each subcategory, what is the sale for each subcategory, and I'm trying to add the colors to the each subcategory so that it is little bright and easy to differentiate. And you can easily see that this is the colors and this has been added. So to add the reference lines, it is very simple. You go right click to the axis and you can see the axis line. So now I want to add the band, not the line. So when you are trying to add a band, it is pretty simple. If you look at the, and first it is asking me band from, so not from the minimum value, I am saying some constant value. Let's say I am starting it from the core beginning to 0, and what is the label that I want to show here in the so right now it is marked as value. You could see that was a 0, and now here I am changing it to as, let's say it was a lower return products, and again I'm saying tooltip as none, and brand 2 again I can change it to a constant value with some whatever is the maximum for that low return band. So here I have kept it as 50,000, and again I can see that the 50,000 is visible. I can let it be, or I can just remove it from there to add it more clarity, not to make it very clumsy. And then in the, I can choose the color with the fill. So now I can see that, you can see that here one band low return has been added. Then the same way you can add as many lines or as many bands as you want. The second band I am adding here starting from the end of the lower band, and same way I can add the constant value. I'm adding it the 50,001. So you can see parallelly that 50,001 value has been added here, and again I'm customizing it as to some other name. I'm saying that it is a medium return value, medium return subcategories, and I can add I can remove the tooltip from automatic to none, and the band 2 can be again given some constant value, whichever is the predefined by the client. You can give the value here, and you can see in the background that the band has been established out there, and with changing of the formatting and the fill, you can basically play around as per your organization's colors and whatever is the requirement of the client, and what is your uh, preferable. And the same way you can add the lines as well if you want to have a line. So or you can have the transparent just to show that the mm, two separate bands. The third one I am leaving it for you guys to complete. Please subscribe my channel, hope you like it. Thank you very much. And then also you can remove and modify whatever changes you want.